is Dex from myconsult, and today we'll be looking at how you can actually change your username password. Alright, so let's say if you are an admin, right, so you can change other users password. You just need to come here to general maintenance, come here to user maintenance, and then let's say for example you want to change the password for Dex. Alright, so you select here and then you press set password, and you actually can change the password. Say 1234 1234. Alright, save it, and now the password, if for example like that, means you are actually using the same password. If for example you want to change a new password, then maybe we just put another 5 here, press 5 here, press save, then the system save, and the user can log in as Dex, and the password will be 12345. Alright, so this is if you are administrator and you can actually access the user maintenance screen. So what happens is, if you are a normal user and you cannot come into this screen, because this screen will control all the access, right? So what you need to do is, if you log in as a normal user, all you just need to do is come here to general maintenance, come here to set password, and you can set your own password here. Alright, so this is actually how easy it is for you to change your password in AutoCount. Do leave a comment below if you have a guide you would like us to prepare. Thanks.